In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Peak Page Previews. This is a simple feature that helps you stay focused on your main page while quickly checking information from another page. If you've ever needed to reference notes, a task, or a database entry without losing your place, the Side Peek Preview makes that effortless. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once your workspace loads, head to the page where you want to work. This could be a notes page, a project dashboard, or any document where you want to keep your main view in place while taking a quick look at something else. Having your primary page open first ensures the preview appears alongside it rather than replacing it. Now look towards the top right corner of your Notion page. You'll see a three dots menu, often called the Page Options menu. Click that menu to reveal additional actions for the page you're currently viewing. Among the options, you'll find one labeled Open in Side Peek. This tells Notion to open the current page in a slim panel next to your main content instead of switching you away. Go ahead and choose Open in Side Peek. The page will slide in from the side as a compact preview. You'll see the full content of the opened page, including text, headings, and most embedded elements, all displayed in a panel that sits beside your main workspace. This layout makes it easy to read, reference details, and keep context without bouncing back and forth between tabs or replacing your main page. The benefit here is clarity and continuity. You can keep drafting, planning, or reviewing on your main page while confirming facts, copying snippets, or reviewing checklists from the preview. It's especially helpful when you're comparing information, pulling quotes, or verifying tasks during a meeting or deep work session. If you don't immediately see the Open in Side Peek option, make sure you open the Page Options menu on the page you want to preview. The feature appears in that three dots menu specifically, and it works the same way in the web app and desktop app. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open your page, click the three dots, choose Open in Side Peek, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused workflow. With this small habit, you'll move through your workspace faster and keep your attention right where it belongs.